In today's video, I'm going to teach you uploading images to Firebase storage. By the end, you'll have your project set up so you can securely store images and be ready to integrate uploads from your app or website. Start by opening the Firebase console and signing in with the Google account tied to your project. On the project overview page, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Build. That's where Firebase groups tools related to app development. Click Build to expand the menu, then select Storage. Storage is Google's scalable file storage service within Firebase, perfect for handling images, videos, and other user-generated content. If you see a message saying you need to upgrade your project's pricing plan to use storage, that simply means this feature requires billing to be enabled for your project. Don't worry, you can still manage costs with budget alerts and quotas, and you only pay for what you use on paid plans. Click Upgrade Project to move forward. You'll be shown available plans. Review the details carefully so the plan matches your expected usage. If you're just getting started, you can begin with the lowest cost option and scale later. Keep an eye on storage capacity, download bandwidth, and network egress because image-heavy apps can consume bandwidth quickly. It's a good practice to set up cost alerts in the Google Cloud Billing dashboard after you upgrade, so there are no surprises. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a cloud billing account. If your organization already has one, select it here. This links Firebase to Google Cloud's billing system so services like storage can run. If you don't see an existing billing account or you're setting this up for the first time, click Create a Cloud Billing Account. Follow the on-screen steps to provide your business or individual details and a valid payment method. Take a moment to confirm the correct country and currency because those settings affect taxes and invoicing and are difficult to change later. Once your billing account is created and linked to the project, return to the Firebase console. Storage will now be enabled and ready for use. From here, you'll be able to configure your default bucket, set secure access rules, and prepare your app code to upload images using the Firebase SDKs. As a tip, start with strict security rules that only allow authenticated users to upload to their own paths, and test with small files first to validate permissions and performance. That's it. Your Firebase project is upgraded, billing is linked, and storage is ready for image uploads.